Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. It's Hashina's Infusion of Flavors. For today's recipe you'll need potatoes. I'm using 4 large ones. Whilst the potatoes are baking inside the microwave, I am going to prepare the filling. For that, I am going to use tuna chunks, sweet corn and some mayonnaise. I'll also be using some cheddar cheese, but keeping that separate. With the help of a fork, check to see if the potatoes are cooked. Alternatively, you can just use your hands to feel the potatoes. If you feel that the potatoes are almost cooked but not quite there, you can always wrap them in a piece of foil and that would do the trick. Another reason for using foil paper is to keep them warm. My jacket potato is ready to serve. This is a very common dish here in the UK, traditionally cooked in the oven, but it tastes just as yummy when you do it using a microwave, and it's cooked all under half an hour. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, comment below and subscribe to my channel to see new uploads every week.